Hello friends, today I came across some courses for healthcare related field. It's not only medicine that is the option available. There are many other courses for biology background people which are helpful. Most of the people don't know and just keep on trying, working so much hard and spending a lot of money. Doing doctor course involves a lot of money, a lot of hard work. So if you are capable, it's always good to be a doctor. But in case if you don't have resources, time, energy, money, transportation, so it is always there are many options for BPC background people also. Please do not get disappointed. I will give you some examples and you also should explore what are the fields available. Today I came across one particular college who are offering some courses related to healthcare, which I found interesting and useful for many people. So I'll just mention those courses. One is Diploma in Medical Technology. These all courses now I am mentioning are intermediate. They can be done along with inter. You have to find which type of courses available in your particular area. Just give. I am giving sample example. Some are after inter, along with inter, after 10th, like that. Diploma in Medical Technology (DMLT), 2-year course. Diploma in Ophthalmology course (DOA), Diploma in Ophthalmology (DOA). Diploma in Radiographic Technology course (DRA). These two are also 2-year courses. Diploma in Radiographic Technology course. Diploma in Cardiology Technician Training course (DCTC). Diploma in Cardiology Technician Training course (DCTC), 2 years. Diploma in Diploma in Optometrician (DOPT). Diploma in Optometrician. I will give brief information what I have about these courses after telling. So 2-year course, Diploma in Optometrician. Diploma in ECG Technician course. Diploma in ECG Technician course. Diploma in Medical Imaging Technology (DMIT). Diploma in Imaging Technology (DMIT). Diploma in Dialysis Technician course DDT. Diploma in Dialysis Technician course, 2 years course. General Nursing Midwifery in Nursing course GNM. General Nursing Midwifery in Nursing course GNM, 3 years inter. It's mentioned 3 years inter. Multi-purpose health assistant for male MPHA. Multi-purpose health assistant MPHA, 2 year. Any group inter. Inter Medical Lab Technology, Inter MLT, vocational course, 2 years, 10th qualification. Inter Medical Lab Technology, Inter MLT. Inter Multipurpose Health Worker, only for ladies, MPHW. Inter Multipurpose Health Worker for ladies. MPHW, 2 years after 10th. So these are the some courses offered by this particular institute, and there may be many other courses also. You need to find out in your particular area based on your budget, based on the company institute reputation, and along with that there are many other fields for BPC students like Unani medicine, naturopathy, MBBS, hospital management, physiotherapy, B.Pharm, agricultural BSc, homeopathy, operation theatre, equipment technician, anesthesia assistant, anesthesiologist, nurse practitioner, pathologist, and I came across a woman. She did a M.Pharm in Manipal, and she got some in software company. She did some data intelligence course. So you have to check out clinical data management something, artificial intelligence something, machine data. Recently few courses are on data related courses for healthcare field. So you can check out, there are good jobs related to that, clinical data management, and along with this you can work part-time in any particular hospital to get some exposure when you are studying itself. It's always a good experience, and if you don't need of any assistance, you can focus on these courses. If you are very studious and if you are in a regular stream, if you don't have any financial problem, so if you are able to concentrate, better to give full energy and focus. Along with this, as you have been seeing in my other videos, I promote Vestige business. If you don't know, if you are a first time visitor, so I'm promoting Vestige business through my videos, and along with that healthcare related information which is useful for you people. I have been in transcription for several years, and I'm working for a particular company, and I visit many hospitals, I visit many patients. So I have some basic idea, better information which you people know, but it will not be recollected when you need it, because I am in this field every day. So I have some more points compared to others, and just I put in a way that is useful for most of the people. And I have been in the network marketing and did in different companies, and I find Vestige better company than other companies. I suggest anyone, particularly students, not only it is useful, Vestige can be done for by anyone, housewife, job holders, business people, students, anyone can do this business. Because if you have a good source of income, you'll get healthy products. Definitely you can protect your health. I know how many problems people are facing, health related problems, how much money they are spending, how much suffering they are going through. So definitely you can protect your health from pollution, because our food has no energy. Our ancestors used to live 100 years, more than 100 years. without any health issues, right? Why we are facing so many problems? Because there is no energy, no immunity, no exercise, lifestyle issues, pollution. So you can protect your health from pollution. Definitely, you can improve your health, your families, your relatives. If you want to do business, you have to, like any other field, you have to work hard to become successful in this vestige business, network marketing business. It's definitely a great field. This industry will get a lot of time freedom. You can travel the world, you will get recognition, you can help others. And a vestige gives 9 types of incomes. You will improve yourself as a person. That is one of the greatest thing. Along with the health and money, we need self-confidence. We should be able to deal with other people. It will be very easy because I find many people suffering. We are unable to make friendship. We are unable to deal with others. Hesitation. Dealing with the opposite gender. Within the family, relationship problems. You'll have a great platform here when you be a part of Vestige. I invite you people to join me either for products or for business. If you are interested, if you find my videos useful, you can share in your groups, WhatsApp group, Facebook group, or for those who need the videos or the products. Vestige is a great platform. Though you don't, if you are busy in your business or job, satisfied with your job, you can benefit from the products. There is Mr. of Milan segment also, and SF9 products, Assure products, which will make you beautiful externally and internally. With these health supplements and these beauty products and makeup products, these give internal and external beauty and health. The ingredients used in these products, Vestige products, are very safe. There are many tests available for that. So your health will be of high secure. I see many hospitals, many medical shops, many diagnostic centers, hospital for every part of the body. So many people are facing so many problems. So we have all. So doctors, we need doctors when there is a really big problem, any big problem. But we can avoid 90% of the issues which we are facing externally or internally with the use of Vestige products. You have to try and see, because these are supplements, they are not medicines, they are food, good quality food, and at the same time they may not give perfect results equally for everyone. Even English medicines or homeopathy, they are not perfect for everyone. They change the medication based on your body, and every body is different. So you have to just try if it is beneficial for you or not. Find out what is best for you available. If there is anything serious issue, definitely we have to go to doctors. But 90% of the time, by using these products, by removing the toxins from your body, by giving supplements to your body, you can reduce so many problems. So I invite you people to subscribe my channel if the video is useful. If you find it, you can share the video for those people who need it, and I invite you to join my team. My number will be in the description. you can contact me. Prestige is operating currently in 7 countries. So I wish you all the best. Wish you health and wealth. Thank you.